Guys, here I am at Big Lots, and I thought I'd look in their home decor section here. So let's take a quick look, guys. Look how gorgeous those trees are. They're so high up I can't really see them, but let me show you if I walk across. Look, these are shaped like dogs. Aren't they gorgeous, guys? And they go along there. And these over here, they look like owls, guys. And then there's your regular lanterns. Let me see how much. These are $15 for the owl ones. And these right here, they're $15. And so are these guys, these white ones right here. So up here, these guys, these are $10 for this kind right here. And then you have these are also 10. And then the LED ones, these are 10 right here. They are so beautiful. And then these are the big boxes of the LED lights. These are outdoor candle set, and those are $25, guys. Then you have your regular light up string lights over here. Look at these are shaped like grapes, guys. Those are $22. Then this is like a chandelier type. That's $70. You see that? Then look at that one. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. How much is that one? That one is $45. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Then you have this one here, that's $20. Then you have these. On the very top there you have your barbecue grills. So guys, these are all insulated bags here for cold stuff. And then you have like packs of paper plates, and these are shaped like popsicle sticks. There you have the Hello Summer with the watermelon. Then over here, guys, you have the placemats on the bottom. Then you have your tablecloths. The tablecloths for outside are all set. They come in different sizes. This one is 16-inch round. This is 52 by 70. All of them are different, but they're all $4.50. Then you have them in this kind down here and that kind down there. Then you have the placemats, the matching placemats, and those are $1.50 each. Pretty nice looking, and then here are their towels. So their hand towels is what? $6 for a 2-pack. So there you have the pineapple, the flamingo, tropical state of mind. Those look like tacos. There's the llama, and there's the cactus. Then over here you have these tin ones. See the floral, the arrangement inside. Those are $12. Then down here you have some really nice ones. I think I might have shown this once before. So this is $10. This one over here, I don't see the tag for that. Let's see the bottom. $14. Then you have this arrangement here. This one's a little bit too heavy for me to lift. This one is 10 for this white one. Then you have this one here and this one. Look how beautiful their succulents are, guys. Those are 12. So guys, and then you have these planters, which I'm absolutely loving. Look at this. Oh my god, they're gorgeous. This is $12. I think this one is 12 too. And look, isn't that beautiful, guys? Oh my goodness. And then you have these down here, and then these are $15. Okay, that leaf fell. They're a nice size, guys, and they're very thick. And then they have the smaller ones, like it goes by size. So these are like 2. Let me see, because they have these little tiny ones. Isn't that gorgeous? But I think this fell off of something. I'm absolutely loving the patterns. So this one over here reminds me of a lemon. I don't think it is. And I know it's in a 2. How many come in a pack? It looks like 4 come in a pack, but I don't want to take that down. Let me see if I can come lower. Okay, so you have 4 in a pack here, $9. That's not bad. Then you have the smaller plates, pack of 4 is $6. Then you have this kind right here, guys. That pattern there. Then you have this pattern. Then you have this pattern. This is a succulent pattern. Then you have your florals. And here you have your bowls. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so then you have your serving bowls, and This is that humongous platter I looked at before. Look at this. It's gorgeous, guys. Look at the size of this platter. I'm absolutely loving this. I love this place. Then you have your huge Rubbermaid containers along the bottom, and then down here, I love the galvanized trays. If you could see the size of this tier tray, guys, this is humongous. $25 for the two, and then they also have it in the it's $24 if you get it in the white. And then here you have a humongous bucket, galvanized metal. Now here, I'm not sure what this is. What is that? I'm not sure what that is. It's a napkin holder. Okay, that napkin holder, I'm not sure. It's $8. Then you have these trays right here, galvanized metal, and this is an oval. That's $12. And this looks like it could be an ice bucket. It is an ice bucket, $18. And you have your cake plate for $15. Here's your compartment container. That's $12. Then you have this kind. This is long. You see that, guys? That is so nice. Then you have this size. No, it's the same size. I'm sorry. Then you have these up here. Look, they have some more of those lanterns up there with the owls, and some more plants up there. So if we come down here, here's these all galvanized too, in that turquoise color and in the white. Then you have your plastic glass. This one says "Make It Happen." Bling bling day. I like that. That is so cute. Then you have these. Then all of these summerware, plasticware for outside. Some paper plates. Here's the watermelon. Here's the. I'm absolutely loving these popsicle and ice cream cone ones, guys. I'm loving those. Now those gazing balls are $22. And they have these little smaller ones for $8. And these are $22. And then they have the stand-up ones. Those are $37. And then here's the big one. The big gazing ball. That's the 10-inch, and that's $20. So if we go over here, you have the birdhouses. And that looks like some fairy house set. Okay. So they have these fairy house sets for $25, guys. See that? And you have this one right here. And then this one right here with the camper. And look at these. Oh, that's right. The last time I was here, guys, they have the most beautifulest fairy garden stuff. So let me just scan this real quick so you can see. And these are garden pebbles. I don't think I've seen garden pebbles, but I'm liking these stones. And then look at these. They come in colors. Very nice. And then those are nice too. Look at the terrariums. The terrariums are $14. We have these. These all wall hangings, guys. They're so nice. And then you have these. Then you have these galvanized metal like containers, and they come in sizes. And then you have those down there. And this over here, the 3 can set is $12. And I'm liking this. Isn't this adorable, guys? I like this. What is that? That one is $24. And then the watering can. And then there's my bicycle planner. I like that. And then this is all stuff you place outside in your lawn. And there's a little French dog right up on the top there. Look at the gnomes, guys. And here's the meditation frog. And here's the turtle. There's the puppies. And here's the little French dog. I think that's absolutely adorable, guys. Oh, it looks like they have this stuff over here on clearance, which is all of their Easter floral stuff. So I don't think that includes this nautical stuff over here. See the nautical stuff? That seems to be all regular price. What is on sale is 50% off all of the Easter florals. Okay, so this one was $14, and then this one was $22. So all of this is half price, and this is all that's left, guys. There's the cross one. There's the bunny head right there. And then this is the tulip one. So it's absolutely beautiful, guys. And then look at that stuff up here. And there's the glass chandeliers. I'm loving the glass chandeliers. Aren't they awesome, guys? So let's see what else they have. Those are $6. Here they have some here, quite a bit. And they're 50% off. This welcome on the Easter bunny. Let's see how much are those. Okay, I'm not seeing a price tag on these. Let's see. Alright, so these hangings are $10, so there must be 5. Then this Happy Easter one is really nice. That's 12, so that's half price. And then here are the bags. And look at these burlap bags. I don't think I noticed these before, guys. So these were $8. And then look at the bunny butts. So that's $8, half price. Then you have the Easter signs, and then He is Risen. Easter one is $8, and the He is Risen is $8. And look at that. The Happy Easter bunny is $6, and then you have a whole bunch of bows for $5. Then you have this Easter sign over here, and that was $14. Then you have more of those bunnies. Then you have the stakes and this Easter sign right here. Then you have the speckled eggs over here. These were $6. Then you have all of this decor down here along the bottom. I just want to show you real quick. So those Happy Easter signs are $18. Then you have your garland. Then you have your Easter bunny over here. And then the Easter bunny signs. So there's your clearance sign here. Then you have the grass. And then these were, how much were these? $6. So you have the chick, and then you have the bunnies here, and then you have the felt wreaths. These felt wreaths were $10. Wow, that's expensive. Look at the baby chicks. Oh, how cute. These are so adorable. And these are the baby chicks with the bunny ears. That is so cute. And then look at the bunny riding on the truck. And there's some of the peeps and some of the felt baskets and the paper plates and napkins and all the accessories. Some more baskets on the bottom, some stuffed animals. And guys, there's the lamb. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. So anyway, all this stuff is 50% off. So guys, thank you for coming with me to Big Lots to scroll through the store. And I hope you guys are having an awesome day. I'll see you in the next video.